What is up guys and girls, Foxy here, and today I have a new unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing the new coolermaster MM710 Ultralight mouse. Now this mouse is something similar to that of the finalmouse and the glorious Model O in the sense that it's following the trend of being an ultralight mouse, got a honeycomb design, got a paracord USB cable, and well, it's overall just very light, which is probably like its best feature. Now in this unboxing, you're just going to quickly see me bring it out. There's nothing really special to this box. All it says, it gives you like a quick run over of all those characteristics, which, you know, it has honeycomb shelf, an ultra weave, light cable. It weighs an astounding 53 grams, which I believe right now is like the lightest ultralight mouse on the market. And it includes some extra mouse feet, which is really nice because, you know, the mouse feet on this are amazing. But you know, you got to spare in case they wear out quickly. Now this is a great replacement for my Logitech G403, which is what I was using previously. Now when I initially got this mouse, I thought I wasn't really going to notice the weight difference. You know, I think the Logitech weighs about 80 grams and this one weighs 53. But boy was I amazed when I brought this out and like actually held it for the first time. It weighs practically nothing. I was also kind of worried that the honeycomb design would be a little bit bothersome, like I would actually feel the holes on my palm and all that, but I'm happy to say that you do not feel them at all. It's a very comfortable mouse. It's got a nice little matte finish. I believe there's also a glossy version and a white version, but all that was available at the time was the matte black. And you know, it's great because the Logitech G403 that I was using before also has a matte black finish, so you know, as far as that aspect goes, I was really comfortable with. Now the packaging, like I said, is really simple. You only get the mouse, the spare feet, and the manual, so that's nothing to worry about. Also, the cable is super light, super flexible. That's something I also noticed right off the bat. In contrast to my Logitech G403, the cable on that was super stiff. And you know, I'm glad to have this way more flexible cable. So right now, should you go for this coolermaster MM710, keep in mind, you know, you gotta really check your hand size. It's a relatively small mouse, and you know, you also gotta be aware of your grip style. In my case, I use a claw grip, so this fits it perfectly. It's got a really nice sensor. It's got a Pixar 3389, which is basically top of the line, so you know, it's really good. The Logitech also had a good sensor, so in that aspect there's really no big difference. But yeah guys, that's everything for this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have this mouse. Remember to use code jellyfoxy in the Fortnite item shop, and I'll see you all later. Take care, my dudes.